Holy cow, Barrett, look.
Yeah, it's a dead armadillo.
I have never seen a live armadillo in Tennessee. Poor little guy. We have the world famous Eric here to help. And the crew. We're putting the Tyvek up. And then we're going to put our T1-11 up. Looking good in it, Barrett. I should charge Home Depot for advertising. So I went and got the guys some Wendy's and I'm coming back. And it looks like, well, I know they have the right side done. We'll have to check it out. See what we've got. Ooh, they're starting on this end. Awesome. Gotta get some pictures. The star of the show, Eric. What's your name? Juan.
Juan.
What's that little guy's name?
James.
James?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Now I'm going to cut out the windows afterwards. There's a window on each side of the door, which will make it awesome looking. That's why that little roof hangs over so far. It hangs over far enough to cover the windows and the door. All right, Eric's putting up our Z flashing. And we ran out of studs. I'm gonna come back and put the studs in the gable end afterward. We're gonna nail the T1-11 at the top and the bottom for right now. But she's looking good. I've got to go meet one of my online customers, but I wanted to get a little video of this piece going up. Probably a roofing screw hanging down. All right. Y'all have to pose for a picture. Wait a minute, James, you gonna pose for the picture? I'll see you tomorrow, Eric. All right, I'm excited.